Hi, how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing great. How about you?
Please tell the weather of Islamabad.
The current weather in Islamabad is partly cloudy with a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius and a wind speed of 4 kilometers per hour.
Please tell the travel distance from Lahore to Islamabad.
The approximate distance from Lahore to Islamabad by car is approximately 437.5 kilometers and the estimated travel time is 6 hours and 6 minutes.
Please tell the weather of Lahore.
The current weather in Lahore is partly cloudy with a temperature of 28 degrees Celsius and a wind speed of 5 kilometers per hour.
Please tell the best viable transport option between Lahore and Islamabad.
The best transport option for traveling from Lahore to Islamabad is by train. The journey takes approximately 6 hours and is a comfortable and economical way to travel.